What's up traders, Richard here from Ninjacators, and in this quick video I want to show you one of my favorite indicators that I use on a daily basis. I also use it with my FastTrack members where I trade a very particular strategy. So the indicator I want to be talking about today is called the MACD Divergence indicator. This one is specifically from Ninjacators and it's been programmed to automatically find bearish, which are these lines over here printed on the price chart or below here on the indicator panel, or bullish divergence signals. So for those that are not familiar with what divergence is, it's basically, let's say for example in this case you have a trending market moving lower, and as it does so, the momentum at which it's doing so is starting to dry up. So it's moving opposite to what the market is doing. Initially starts off with a lot of momentum, and as price then moves into a low or into a high, depending what direction, you get the signal at momentum starts to dry up. So that's generally a very early indication that you might get a correction or potentially a complete reversal of a trend or a future trend, right? So what I like to do with this indicator is use it during a very specific time window that spans between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Eastern. Again, I also use another indicator. I only like using two with a strategy called the morning liquidity run. But for sake of explanation on this video, I want to show you a very recent setup that occurred on a 1 minute time frame in crude oil. It's actually a trade that we took live in one of our membership sessions, live sessions. So as price moved into a specific time window that I like to trade, price took out a specific level that I identified before. And you can see very clearly here that as price moved low, we start getting bullish divergence, which indicated that we might get a reversal. So it's definitely a signal I want to see as part of this strategy. And then from there on, price basically reversed high. It broke previous price structure point. And you can see here on the 5 minute, looking at that same day, we did not get divergence on a 5 minute. So we did get it on a 1 minute though. So, you know, I like to see divergence occur for the strategy on either 5 or 1 minute. So it also depends on what time frame you use, what strategy of us you want to use. But this is exactly on that same day. And you can see during this time window, price actually moved into it around about the beginning of that time window. And that was actually the low of the day. And we had a massive move to the upside in crude oil. You can also see I got my volume delta histogram activated on this chart. It is still on the other chart over here. I just had to minimize a little bit so I can explain how I look or use the MACD divergence indicator. So this is something that you would like to incorporate in your own strategy, or if you want to learn professional strategies from our mentors here at Ninjacators, then there's a link below in the description for a 14-day free trial where you can get your access to this indicators and many more, as well as joining our live mentorship program sessions that we host on a daily basis where you can learn some of these professional strategies. Again, 14-day free trial. Please go ahead and check out the link below in the description, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.